Bhakti Jodi. He's with us. Definitely, he's with us everywhere where we go. And it has been such an uplifting, actually, experience to work with him, with the whole crew. And Joe Rajan, thank you so much. And thank you for trusting us.
फिल्म के लिए मिला और क्या किस कैटेगरी मिला आपको?
Best Actress category.
Yeah.
And I feel so proud and humble for this recognition. It's such a prestigious and award, and it's beyond my imagination that I would have ever get such an award. And thank you so much for the trust. Thank you so much for the confidence that you gave me with this award. And as I said, it's a heavy award.
Yes.
Always, at all meanings, it's a heavy award. That means a lot of responsibility that I'm taking proudly and happily. I'm taking this responsibility of doing good work further and putting my whole passion in it. And I'm so grateful to my team because you can't do anything without a team.
Definitely.
Bhakti Jodi, my co-actor, my co-star, to our director Joe Rajan, Pooja Batra, our producer, and Shamira Nambiar. So I'm very, very grateful to every single member of the team who have put such a hard work and passion in this project, so that we got so many awards internationally. But this, it means so much more because
Dada Falcon,
and yes, it's such a prestigious national award. It means a lot. It means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
जो सर है
Overall experience and your motivation to work on this particular Equals Us story. I would love to know about that.
The story is very beautiful, and it's a message that I believe in, and a message that I want to send to the world as well, along with my team. There is nothing more important than love, and we should learn to love deeply, meaningful, to love without any expectations, unconditional. My character is one person, one woman who really loves deeply and unconditional. And that's why I'm so proud, and I've learned so much from my character, Kate, and Echoes of Us, because she taught me much more how to love. Thank you.
अच्छा मैम प्रोड्यूसर बारे में क्या कुछ प्रोड्यूसर जी जो राजन जी है उस पर क्या कहेंगे हाँ बुलाइए ना
Mr. Joe Rajan.
जो राजन जी लीला मैम क्या कुछ यस मैम क्या कुछ कहेंगे प्रोड्यूसर के बारे में आप
ये डायरेक्टर है
डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर यस जोरदान जी के बारे में
How was the experience?
यस सर
The experience has been really nice, and Julia has done a fabulous job with the film. You have to see it to actually believe what I'm actually telling. So that's the reason she's been getting a lot of international acclaim from all over, and now she's also nominated in various other festivals all over LA and New York, which will come to know the results soon. So hoping for the best and hoping that you all like the film whenever it comes out. Thank you.
हमने सुना है कि आपकी कोई फिल्म कांस पे भी गई उसके बारे में बताएंगे कुछ
So we are selected for the Cannes. We also nominated for the French Riviera International Film Festival. We also nominated for an award at the French Riviera in Cannes. And also, there's some other news. We're also going to walk a ramp as showstopper for the Cannes Fashion Week. So which will again is a good news for all of us.
That would be a nice.
अच्छा लीला मैम ये फिल्म सलमान खान ने भी देखी है क्या ऐसा सुना हमने
मैं आइडिया नहीं है
तो प्लान है कुछ दिखाने कुछ प्लान है ऐसा कुछ सर
नहीं आइडिया नहीं है I have no idea. I mean he has to see it when it has to come out. Na? So it has to release for him to see. So
Yes,
we are
sir.
planning
No,
that
he saw it,
stage.
but he loved it. But you?
I don't want to say that.
Yeah.
He has seen the film and he has liked it a lot.
ये आपकी शॉर्ट मूवी को बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिले ये कहाँ पे आपने शूट की है
The whole movie हम लोग ने we have shot in Sri Lanka.
ओके
Sri Lanka. It's like we did a full shoot schedule in Sri Lanka and we came and edited the song here.
And it's a beautiful location.
Location.
Yeah.
And Arijit Singh also has sang a song for our film. And we're going to have one more surprise soon with the new music that is going to release probably after we come back from France.
दीपक तिजोरी जी ने भी आपने कास्ट किया है उनके बारे में क्या कुछ है वो आज हाजिर नहीं रहे तो
We are missing him actually.
Yes.
We are missing him. We are actually just flaunting our awards, but internally we know that
Exactly.
Deepak should have been here also.
Yeah.
But he's already got 22 awards. We've got lesser than him. So we want to release.
But he deserves all the
But he
awards
deserves all the
in world.
awards, yeah.
Such a talented talented actor,
Yeah.
and he's so amazing on the set.
On the set.
And so supportive. Yeah,
Thank
I'm
you.
really grateful to him for being there for me.
All of us.
And yeah, for the team. as
Yeah,
well.
for the team.
He's incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
फोटो साहब इसका
What motivated me? But
But
that's
this past week, I want to work on this film.
yeah. So now we are discussing about doing a film. My motivation there was, first we decided that we want to make an English film, and we wanted to represent our country into the international platforms. That's the reason my film is completely in English. I was looking out for a good English actress. So here where we found, and she's done a fabulous job. So it's all about emotions. It's about it's a story where when you're lonely and you start missing somebody who's already not there in your life. So this is something which I can't discuss about the film right now because you'll have to see it. But
It's a beautiful
it's
story.
a beautiful story, and we had a fantastic shoot. Like we were shooting almost for five to 6 days in Sri Lanka. So it's nice. It's been a good experience. But more is when you see when you like it.
You'll learn a lot from the film.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.